Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on the Yoder Smokers 24x48 charcoal grill because there was nothing out there really in terms of information other than what was on the website when I was looking to buy it, and just kind of wanted to answer some questions that maybe some other people had that I had as well. So we'll just kind of do a quick walkthrough of what we got. So from the outside you'll see, great finishing. Everything looks beautiful, nice matte black finish, just like the rest of their smokers. Take a look at the inside. One of the questions I had here, I'll flip up this other half. One of the questions I had is how much headroom was in this cooking chamber. So you've got about 6 3/4 inches from the grate to this lip right here. So that's about 6 3/4 inches. But if you're cooking it with the lid all the way up, you're just doing direct grilling, not a big deal. But you can easily fit like a pork butt or something like that in there. I don't think that'll be any problem. In terms of the adjustable charcoal basket, you can adjust it from at the lowest point. That's about 9.5 inches from the charcoal basket to the top of the cooking grate, and it goes up in 1.25 inch increments at every length. So it's 4.5 inches from the cooking surface at the top and 9.5 inches from the cooking surface at the very last point. The ash catcher at the bottom of the grill will pull all the way out of the grill, so you can pull this the full length. It'll come all the way out of there, and then you can dump it. You can probably grab a shovel and clear that out if you wanted to. It also has this bulkhead fitting right here that threads off. It's threaded on the ID and the OD, so I'm thinking that's probably for some kind of pit fan, barbecue guru, something along those lines. But it's it's removable. You can unthread it from this side, I'm assuming, as well, if you've got a different setup that you prefer to use. Let's see, your vents down here, shut them off, open them up, however you need it to be done. This handle here can be mounted on the other side right here at these points, and just the same, this adjustable handle can be mounted on the other side as well if you just remove it from here, and that way it's it's reversible if you want all the handles on the other side. The same thing with this ashtray. You can have this to where it slides out from the other side as well. If you undo these screws, this is basically just an end cap plug, so you can have all of your controls on this side. You can have the adjustable lever on this side, as well as the ash catch and the lifting handle for the lid. You could have it all on one side if you wanted to. The only thing you can't change is the lifting handle. Other than that, everything's pretty straightforward. You've got your chimney on the top, adjustment there. It's got a little it's got a welded pin on the inside, so that's as far as it goes. So that's it, guys. So if there's any questions that I didn't cover that you might be interested in, go ahead and post them down in the comments below, and I'll try and either make another video, or I can just answer those questions directly in the comments and get back to you. So hope this was informational to somebody else, because I know I was looking for the information, like I said. But have a good day.